kill my vibe, kill the mood. I'm on no lure by my side. Nobody can change my prophecy. I like the way I'm feeling now.
Hi loves, I am that African skin Gertrude Darko. Welcome for those that are new here, and if you are an OG, get in the bag. Okay, so still on my Valencia trip series. Today we visited a Spanish restaurant to have cooking class, that is Valencia Club Cocina, and we are cooking a very authentic Valencian dish, paella, and there was also a surprise dessert at the end, so stick and stay, and I hope you enjoy this one.
And one of the recipes is the Valencian Paella Valenciana, okay, with chicken, vegetables, and very traditional from Valencia. It's a recipe from the farmers of Valencia, very old recipe. Okay, you're gonna try the real kitchen from this area in Spain, Valencia. Okay, and we're gonna prepare a very traditional plate, the Spanish omelette with potatoes and onion. And for dessert, we're gonna have the sponge cake. We call here coca because we cook in the can material. It's the tradition is cook the sponge cake. Why the paella and why is very important the rice in Valencia, the Spanish omelette in Spanish. Okay? And now, this is the garbanzo. It's one of the vegetables of the Valencian Paella. And for this, we have inside this, I think in English is lima beans. Okay? And this is bachoqueta, the other vegetable for the paella. And we're gonna cut the
Hier moet je de eieren op als ze klaar zijn.
Moet je niet op één kant doen, hè? Daar is beter, moet je zo. En dan omdraaien. En dan omdraaien. Dan kan je echt beter
Very nice. Enjoy, Anita.
Who's making the paella?
No, it's a video. It's a for a YouTube channel.
Ik stond ook erbij.
Ja, dat weet ik al op je eigen kaart.
Leuk.
When start to walk, we try the point of salt, okay? Take the ball and throw one line. And now the point is, no, throw everything. And now the point is, like this. Oh, no worries. Now, try to put same size of rice everywhere. Okay? You understand or not? Everything. No.
Is dat onze Jamie? Jamie? Is dat onze?
We're gonna make the tortilla, eh?
Wij gaan
The same,
Ja. Oh, die van Jimmy is zo mooi.
One tortilla? One volunteer. Yes, they get.
For starters, we had the Spanish omelette with potato and onions. After that, we had the paella with chicken. I enjoyed the Spanish omelette a lot. The paella, not very much. I felt like there was not too much flavor to it. But anyway, it was good. For dessert, we had the sponge cake, and you can see the air bubbles. It was so fluffy, so spongy and moist. It was really delicious, and it had cinnamon to it and cardamom, I think, and vanilla ice cream. So all in all, it was very good.